Good morning, everybody. We are going to make a cream of soup mix that can be stable shelf life. Put it up, put it away. You don't need to take room in your refrigerator. It's wonderful. It tastes really good, and there's only a few ingredients that you need. So let's get started. You will need, well, let me see here. 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour. I use King Arthur flour. I know this has a spout. Whenever your measuring cups have a spout, that's for liquid. But my big one was dirty. So this is a liquid measurer, but you want 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour. I use King Arthur. Just so you know, if you always think, oh, why is this lip got a pouring lip? Because it's for liquid. So we're going to put that, whoops, I'm not going to put it in yet. Just going to read the ingredients. And you need 1/4 cup of chicken stock. Right here. This is a chicken base. And you can get this at the grocery store where they have the broth and all the seasonings and all that. And then you need 2 tablespoons of onion flakes. Ding. Here's my onion flakes. These were purchased, I believe, somebody had asked me, I think Trader Joe's. And this is what the container looks like. I think it was Trader Joe's. And that's all you need. How easy is that? And if you want to make, you want to mix all the ingredients together. And it will make 1 quart or 3 pints. Right now I'm going to start with a 1 quart and store it. And when you make a batch, you need 1/2 cup of the mixture and 1 1/4 cups of water or milk if you want to make a wet mixture. These are really good, like, and so many different things. I can't even tell you. I use a lot of cream of mushrooms, or cream of soup in my Instant Pot. So let's get started and get it mixed up. So let me pan you down here. You don't need to see my face. I think we can see it right here. We want to put the 2.5 cups of flour in, just like that. Then you want to put the chicken broth in, which is 1/4 cup. And all this will be in the description box below. Then you want to use the 2 tablespoons of dried onion flakes. Just like this. And then I got a couple of things. You can mix it up. You need to mix it up really well. You can use a spoon, you can use a whisk, whatever you'd like to use. I apologize if I start coughing. This onion, between the onions and the soup bake mix is going to get me coughing. Oh, it smells wonderful. If you could smell this. Oh. Just like this. So basically you need a bowl, something to mix with, a quart jar or 3 pints, and some onion flakes, excuse me, and a spoon, and I'm going to pour it by using a funnel. Just like that. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to give some out for Christmas. I'm going to take a card, just like this. I'm going to write the recipe inside the card, and then I'm going to use a punch hole here and put a ribbon and attach it just like this to the jar. I'm working low, so it's hard for me to see. Sorry about that. But I think you guys understand what I'm trying to say. And this is what it's going to look like right here. And it's all mixed in well. just like this. Then we're going to take our jar, put it just like this. I might have to bring the camera up a little. There, bring it up just a little so you can see what I'm doing. Pour it in. That's one way you can do it. Or if you're really clever and you don't spill, you can do it this way. It all depends how you want to do it. What I like about it is you're making your own. You don't have all that MSG in it. You don't have all the sodium in it, which, you know, you can get the less sodium and all in the grocery store, but you're paying a whole lot more. I mean, a whole lot more. In this way, when you're making your own, you have control of that. Just like this. I'm also going to do a shout out here at the very end, and you'll find the recipe in the description box below. Put it all right in just like this. I like to put another little bowl underneath in case I drop anything, I can pick it up. Hey, you never know. And again, you need a ½ cup of this mixture to 1½ cups of water or milk to make a soup. There you go, right there. Then you want to take a lid and a cover. And there you have it, homemade cream soup in a quart jar. Use only a ½ cup at a time, or you can use 3 pint jars, which I'll probably transfer mine over. I'm not sure because I'm gonna gift some out. So that's it, folks. And the shout out goes to Grammie Campy's Bear Creek Homestead, I believe. He's got a little bit of everything on his channel. He takes you for rides and walks and cans and talks. And so if you like it, I'm gonna leave a link below. You can check him out. And if you do, ring that bell. Let him know I sent you over. And you never know what's gonna be on my day, my video for the day. It's 22 here in Maine. Cloudy. We got rain, sleet and rain and snow coming in until tomorrow. So everybody have a great day. God bless. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye now.